Okay guys, guess where I am this week? New York City. So this is different than the normal kind of videos I've been doing, as you know. Today, I'm gonna celebrate a really special week. On Friday, I have a song that is available to download that I wrote on a $20 bet, and I'm performing it with Grammy nominee Keith Burns of Trick Pony, who co-wrote the song with me and who's singing lead, and believe it or not, I'm singing in the song. So I did a really special video that's gonna be posting this Friday called The Story Behind the Song, The Making of Everybody Loves a Comeback, which is the name of the song. It's available to download this Friday. But what self-respecting cowgirl would go around without a good pair of boots? So, because I've been to Nashville a couple of times and I'm meeting people in the music business, one of the great joys of meeting all these amazing people in country is the wardrobe that they wear. So I met Greg Hensley from Dan Post Boots, and he has gifted me 2 pairs of boots. So I'm gonna open them up, we're gonna unbox this, and then I'm gonna try them on. Oh my, look how beautiful these are. Wow. These are black embroidered leather Dan Post boots. Holy cow, these are gorgeous. Wow, okay, let's try them on. Let's see what the second pair looks like. What? They are high brown. Check these out. What? Oh my goodness. I have found my new favorite pair of boots. My new favorite shoes are cowboy boots. So now you know I got the boots. The boots are amazing, as you saw. They fit great, as you saw. So what did I do in those boots? Well, I went to Nashville, of course, and I performed in those boots. Believe it or not, we shot the video to Everybody Loves a Comeback in Nashville. And I also performed some other songs, 2 Trick Pony hits, wearing those boots. And what you're gonna see next is me on stage singing and dancing in my Dan Post boots. I mean, dancing and singing at my age on stage in Nashville in front of a live audience, so much fun. Listen, there's a bunch of things you guys need to do. First of all, like I said, I'm in New York this week shooting a ton of Inside Edition investigations. So you're gonna wanna make sure to watch Inside Edition starting in September for our new season launch, because I'm gonna have investigations on almost every day in September. So that's big, that's why I'm in New York. But also this week on Friday, my new song, Everybody Loves a Comeback, comes out on Friday, so you can download it anywhere. A portion of the proceeds go to charity, Folds of Honor, and a journalism scholarship fund for students of color through the Investigative Reporters and Editors Association, which I'm a part of. Really proud that we're giving back a portion of the money for the song to these wonderful charities. So definitely download the song on Friday and watch Inside Edition on Friday night, because they're doing a story about me making that song. And of course, come back here to my YouTube page, because you're gonna see an entirely new, really amazing documentary about the making of the song. Everybody Loves a Comeback. My thanks to Keith Burns and to Dan Post Boots and Greg Hensley and everybody who has helped to make Everybody Loves a Comeback possible, and especially for you for subscribing. I love you guys. Thank you. If you haven't subscribed, please do. And now I'm gonna go have a drink and have fun and dance on tables, because I'm in New York City.